Hey guys, if your Spotify application is not working on your Windows computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy troubleshooting steps. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to our start menu, and you just need to search for optional features and then come over to the optional features settings. At the top here, just select this view features button, and inside of here we just need to search for media feature pack. And now this isn't going to pull up any search results for me because I already have this installed to my computer. But if you do see a media feature pack inside of here and you don't have it installed, then you'll need to go ahead and install that now. And then you can restart your computer, and that should have fixed any issues with the Spotify app. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing we need to do is actually launch up the Spotify application. And if you can get inside of Spotify, then we need to come over to our profile icon in the top right here, come over to settings and scroll all the way down to the cache settings. And inside of here, we're just going to go ahead and select this clear cache button. So once we've cleared our cache, we need to come over to these three dots in the top left hand side, come over to edit and then come down to preferences. Inside of the settings, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you'll see this section for compatibility, and you'll see something called enable hardware acceleration, which is likely to be turned on. So we're just going to disable this option, as this can sometimes prevent Spotify from working correctly. So once we've disabled this, we can head out of the settings window, and if that still doesn't fix the issue for you, the next thing you can do is check your firewall settings. Now to do this, you need to head over to your start menu and search for Windows Defender, and then come over to Windows Defender Firewall. Select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender on the left hand side, click on the change settings button at the top here, and you need to scroll all the way down this list just to see if we have Spotify inside of here. So as you can see here, I've got Spotify music, and you need to ensure that both private and public are ticked in here. Now, if you don't have the Spotify music inside of this list of exceptions, then you'll just need to add it by coming over to allow another app, click on browse, and then you'll need to find the Spotify executable file. So once we've done that, we can head out of this window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu, search for settings, and then come over to the settings window. From the left hand side, select apps, inside of installed apps, and from our list of applications, we need to locate Spotify. So you can either scroll down the list like this, or we can just use the search feature at the top here to search for Spotify. And once you've found Spotify music, we need to select these three little dots, come over to advanced options, and then come down all the way to the bottom in this reset section, and you're going to go ahead and press repair. Now this option will only be available to you if you downloaded Spotify via the Microsoft Store. So if you downloaded Spotify directly from the website, then you won't be able to do this, and you'll need to move on to the next step. So we can also go ahead and press this reset button too, and then just press reset to confirm. So if you've tried all of these options and that's still not working, the very final thing we can do is head over to our apps from the left hand side, come into installed apps, and once again just search for Spotify on this list. And once you've found Spotify music, we're going to select these three little dots and hit uninstall, and then go ahead and press uninstall. And now if you had Spotify downloaded from the official website before, you're now going to download it from the Microsoft Store by coming over to your start menu and searching for Microsoft Store, and come inside of here. And then in the search box at the top here, we can just search for Spotify, click on Spotify, and then you'll have an install button here to install this onto your computer. Now, if you already had Spotify installed from the Microsoft Store version, then you're just going to head over to an internet browser, and you're going to come over to the official Spotify download page, and we're going to select this link at the bottom here, download directly from Spotify. Then you'll just need to double click on Spotify setup.exe and follow the steps on the screen to install Spotify to your computer. And that's it guys, by following all of these steps, that should have now resolved any issues you're having inside of Spotify. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.